This hairstyle is cute, classy and chic, and it is fast. You're going to use French coils extension to achieve this hairstyle because if you don't use French rolls, then you're going to be coiling the hair yourself manually when you're done braiding. So if you want it fast without heat, go for the French roll coil. Then when you start, you're going to first of all, because this is a ponytail hairstyle, most times I will advise people to start with the middle, just the middle. You can braid like 3 hair or one at the middle, so it will be easier for you to section. Some people can actually work without that, but this is an easier hack. Understand that when you braid this hairstyle, you're not going to braid it to the tip. You're going to leave out some hair at the tip because that hair is what you're going to use to form that bun. So your French coil shouldn't be braided to the tip. Now after this braiding process, you're going to pack the hair together with a rubber band. Afterwards, you're going to start rolling it like you're going to do with your normal hair bun. When you're rolling it, ensure that that coily part of it is left out because that part is what is going to give you that very beautiful full bun. So ensure that you're packing it, you bring that one to the front, you're always pushing it out, like round it, round, then adjust. This hairstyle is so gorgeous. Then cut out the excess from the one you want to cut out so that it's going to have that perfect bun. This hairstyle is simple, classy and really chic. Tell me, will you be trying out this hairstyle? And also, if you're looking for a beautiful hair inspiration that you won't use so much extension to do, this is one you can go for. So guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you and see you.